to measure the deformation of a MEMS device. Okay, so we have. 所以这个照得到吗？现在都有。So we have a controller for the Keyence microscope. We put our MEMS device. We change the lens to the So when you rotate this table, you will feel a small click. Then you know it's in the right position. And we put our micro device, see the die, 1.5 millimeter times 1.5 millimeter on a glass slide. And we put it under the microscope. So we follow the manual. So first we turn on the Keyence controller. And second, we turn on the PC. We have a switch. We switch the window. For the first switch is for the VK controller. The second window switch for the PC window. Try not to touch all the wires at the back of the controller because the controller is very old. All the wire cable connections are very weak. So in case you touch it, we may lose the connection. Okay, so let's switch back to the controller. Then the second step, we need to find the object under the microscope. So let's move the die under the microscope. We can move the stage left, right, and up and down. Because we have 4 lenses, for this lens we have an adapter here. Then if we are going to touch this, if the stage is going to touch this adapter, we need to be careful to watch out for the gap between this lens with the stage. Looks like it's very close, so be careful. to avoid damage to the lens, so I would remove this one before we continue. Okay, let's use the 10. Yeah, this is this 10. Okay. Okay. But because when we scan the micro device, it's either left to right or up down. So we better rotate the device to be in horizontal. Suppose we want to measure the deformation of this beam, then we better rotate the stage. Let the longitudinal direction of the beam be horizontal. So the stage we can rotate this one. And refocus. Okay, so that's the step 2. So after that, for view mode, we select CLR RAW. For view mode, we select CLR RAW. So we have 2 mouse, one mouse for the PC, the other mouse for the controller. So this one for the controller. We have several options, so select this one. Step 2. Then step 3, we click on the SHTR button A. So this is SHTR button A. So we click on this one. It will adjust the brightness of the view. Then after that, we select SHTRL to focus. SHTRL to focus. Because we have too many devices, so it may not easy to focus on all the devices here. So just let you know, this there's a function for automatic focus. So we just release this one. Then step 4, we select gain, GAIN. Gain here, this one is laser gain. So we push down the gain. Then we select pitch. For our micro device, the dimension is 1 micrometer around, smallest dimension. So we can select 0.1 micrometer as the pitch mode. Then we go to pitch, select 0.1 micrometer. Okay, then step 5. Run mode, select BWSPD. Run mode, select BWSPD. Then we can select start. This one start, this one freeze. So we select start. So the microscope will scan the view of this window. The device is very old, so it may take a while to scan the view of this. So we can stop now. The other end will lose balance. Okay, after step 5, we push start. Then we turn off the laser light. Laser light is here. So this is on, laser light on. Then laser light off here, off. Then we adjust offset to make sure the yellow light between 30 and 40. So we adjust the yellow offset. This is offset to make sure the yellow is between 30 and 40. Okay, between 30 and 40. Then we go to the next step. We turn on the laser light again. This is turn on. Then lens position. So we want the laser scanner to scan the certain range. If the range is too large, it's going to take a long time. So we know the device, the thickness of the device is around 10 micro. So we can adjust the low and high position. So now the high position, we can change this number. decrease and increase. Okay, this after we select, say 12 micro with heat high. Then we change the low. And we select low. Okay. Select high and low, and heat return. RTN. RTN is over here. Okay, now we have trouble to find the RTN.
You want to see?
No, it's okay. So could you turn off the radio, the video?